Today, we're diving into the world of server memory upgrades with the NEMIX RAM DDR4-2400MHz ECC UDIMM. Designed specifically for servers, specific workstations, and ECC-compatible gaming boards, this memory upgrade boasts an impressive 64GB capacity, divided into 4 16GB modules. Running on DDR4-2400MHz technology, it operates at a standard 1.2V, ensuring efficient performance without compromising on power consumption. One of the standout features of this memory upgrade is its ECC, error-correcting code, unbuffered UDIMM design. This means it's equipped with error-correcting capabilities, crucial for maintaining data integrity in server environments where reliability is paramount. Manufactured using multi-layer density PCB with gold lead and major chipsets such as Samsung or Micron, it's built to meet the highest quality standards. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its compatibility with all specific ECC UDIMM boards. However, it's essential to note that this is not your standard PC computer memory. Whether you're upgrading your home server or enhancing the capabilities of your business applications, the NEMIX RAM DDR4-2400MHz ECC UDIMM is a solid choice. Plus, with a lifetime replacement warranty, you can trust in its durability and performance for the long haul. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.